Good morning, welcome to Aldwin's Hobby House. So today we're going to try to feed our fishy friends with cucumber. Nakita lang po natin yan sa YouTube na maganda raw pong pinakakain ng blanched cucumber ang mga fish para sa kanilang diet. Susubukan po natin. So ito po ang ating in-slice na cucumber. Ayan po, manipis po yan. Yan, para madali nilang manguya siguro. Hindi pa natin alam kung ano mangyayari. Nagsisimula ng kumulo ang ating tubig. Pwede na po natin ilagay ang ating cucumber. Ilalagay na natin ang ating cucumber sa tubig. Ayan po. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang, baka tayo mapasok. Ayan. Sabi nila ay 10 minutes daw po natin iba-blanch. Maghintay lang po tayo, ha? Ito na po ang ating blanched cucumber. Ita-transfer na po natin siya sa malamig na tubig. Ayan. Napanood ko lang din po yan sa YouTube na kailangan daw po i-transfer sa cold water. Oh, hindi ko makuha po ang mga cucumber. Pasensya na po, hawak na isang kamay ang cellphone. Ayan. Hintayin daw po natin dapat mag-sink. Ayan, lumulubog na siya. Okay. Hintayin po natin mamaya. Panoorin natin kung paano kakain ng mga fishy friends natin ng cucumber. Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Let's see how our fishy friends will love our blanched cucumber. Here we go. Lalagay na po natin. We're going to drop it in. 1, 2, 3, and it's falling. Falling down, falling down. And where will it land? It land on the ground. Let's see what will happen if our fishy friends really like our blanched cucumber. Nothing is happening. Let's wait a few more minutes. Maybe they will here we go. The tetras are zooming in. Here's our fisher friends, the molly. Roaming around, looking. Here's our Dalmatian molly. Oops, no bite. Let's wait a few more minutes. Still no bite. Look, we have a bite from the small one. The molly fish. The molly fries are enjoying it first. Yay! They are the one who had the first bite of our blanched cucumber. And look at that. Lovely. Yum, yum, yum. Munch, munch, munch. Ooh. Oh, that sound is my son.
At the same time?
Oh, one at a time.
But after the other taco.
So here's our gold dust molly having a bite of our cucumber. And here we go. Ooh, evading. And the tetras are following behind. Look at that. And again, the fish sound of my son. There we go. Oh.
Fishy.
Lovely.
Fishy.
So it is true that Mollies, Tetras, enjoy this blanched cucumber.
Lunch.
159 seconds, I think.
Okay. Both of our Tetras now are enjoying their treat. Munch, munch, munch. Ooh, even the little. Ooh. The Tetras are queuing behind. Oh, munch, munch, munch. See you next time, guys. Enjoy the show.